Okay, here's an analog that I came up with to demonstrate the effect of the size of the radius you ask for to be cut into your ice skate. This is a representation of your blade, looking at it upside down. So looking at it that way, for ease of demonstration, we'll say this is 7/16 from center to edge. This will be 9/16. This is your hollow. It's cut and ground into the bottom of the blade. Deeper hollow gives you more bite, allows you to carve sharper turns. Shallow hollow gives you more glide. So, say from the end zone to the blue line, with a deeper hollow would take you, say, just for argument's sake, 6 strides. Shallow hollow might let you get there in 4 or 5. Saves you energy, allows you to stay out longer in your shift. Okay, so say operator error in the pro shop. He doesn't grind it deep enough. They don't grind it deep enough. Yeah, you're ground to the depth of a 9/16. Alright, so now you have more glide, but you have no edges. This can happen with any size. So say you want to cut 9/16, but he still doesn't push it down enough. You still have no edges, no tips. Okay, so what the effect is that? Standing start, try to take off, you have no bite, you feel like you're on grease. You can't take off anywhere. Don't understand, I just had them sharpened. Well, maybe you need to go deeper. Maybe you need to cut it smaller. So you request them to cut it smaller. He goes down to, from 7/16 down to 3/8. Next size down. Still has the same problem because you're still doing the same operator error. You're still having blunt tips. You can end up going deeper and deeper and deeper until you get one guy that actually does it correctly, and now it's too sharp. Okay, here's another one. Instead of centering it in, centering the skate blade on the stone, he has it slightly off. You still have sharp tips, so you feel the edges, and it feels great. The only trouble is they're totally uneven. So the effect of that, alright, say you want to turn to your right. You do a crossover, you have an edge. That's great. You go to your left. This one's short. You end up hitting both edges, you go right down. You can't skate on both edges at the same time. Not in a turn. So the effect of that, you can only go, you're comfortable in one direction, you go in the other direction, you're all over the place, or you're falling.